Hi everybody, welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis, and today we would be looking at one a new coin on the channel, which is Polygon Matic, right? And we have a lot of requests for Polygon Matic to do an analysis on it. Right, the current price for Polygon is about 0.89. I'll be showing you what I believe is going to happen in the next few days, probably around the weeks. And so, if you like the channel, please make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would be doing a very detailed video and price prediction video about what we believe is going to be happening to Polygon Matic. Probably now, on this chart, we could see that in the last 24 hours, we could see just a huge consolidation for Matic as with other coins. If we scroll down, not necessarily any news, probably any major news coming out for Polygon. But if we go to the chart, we're going to see what is happening or what is going to happen in the next few days. Now, let's move over to the chart. We are here in the chart for Polygon Matic. Binance is our data source, right? And we could see that as with other coins, we have been consolidating for a few days. But we have first had a huge move in Matic, right? A huge rise in the price of Matic down from the lows, which was about a 185%. Whoa, that was very huge, like a 200% in the price of Matic, right? Even for a few months. And then we could see that we just stalled at that region and we've been having a consolidation, right? And probably our consolidation has been going on for probably how many days right now? Probably about 99 days. So that's about 3 months, right? We've seen just a consolidation goes to the top and picks up the liquidity. But I'll be showing you what I believe will be happening next to the price of Matic in the short term, right? And this looks bullish, but until all right, we're going to check and see what's happening. So right now, as you can see, I just picked up the Bollinger Band. As you can see, we are already at the top of the band, and every single time we come to the top of the band, one thing we know is that we're going to drop back, right? Except we're breaking out, and this doesn't look like a breakout. So probably we might come back to test the EMA rebound, probably about the 8.3 region, and if we break the EMA rebound, we're coming back down to around the 0.7 region, right? If we bring up our indicators, our indicator shows, right, we're already at overbought levels, right, on the strength, relative strength. Our oscillator is telling us there's still more upside to go. So probably we are going to get to around the 0.94 mark, but I wouldn't bet on it, right? Because our oscillator is trying to tell us there's no bearish divergence yet, right? This is just little, but our oscillator is telling us probably we could still go higher a bit, right? Down to the 0.94 mark before we correct, but a correction is going to happen soonest or later, especially down to the 0.7 region. And I'll be telling you why I believe, more reasons why I believe a correction is going to happen if we go down to the 12-hour time frame. As you can see, the Bollinger Bands are squeezing one more time, and we all understand that when the Bollinger Band squeezes every time, we understand that a huge move is coming. So the Bollinger Bands are squeezing, probably indicating of the fact that a very, very huge move is coming. If we go down to our indicators, we can see probably that we are sold on the strength index and also on the 12-hour time frame. We are also seeing a bearish divergence, right, on the oscillator, right? If we move over to this chart, right, confirming everything we said, that probably we could still have some few upward price targets on the weekly, by the way, even up to the $1 mark, right? Before, but as you can see, our stock RSI still looks very, very over. Still at the oversold level, so we have to cool down a bit, especially on the weekly. If we move down to the 3 days time frame, as you can see, this looks very, especially on the stochastic, it looks very oversold, and probably we have to correct down a little bit down, probably to the 0.69 stroke to 0.7 region. As you can see, everything even our indicators telling us we need to cool down a bit. If we go down to our daily, whoa, as you can see, our daily is telling us the RSI is overbought on the daily. The stock RSI, it's going into overbought regions. As you can see, we're already seeing a bearish divergence on the MACD, right? So that's one of the things we need to take into consideration, that we're already getting into uh, oversold region for our MACD. So you want to be very careful at this point in time, and if possible, begin to take profit or set stop limits or stop losses on your Matic, which is in profit, right? So that you don't lose it back to the market. So please, we're getting to oversold regions. In the 12 hours, we're very, very oversold. Even on the stock RSI, having a bearish divergence on the market, same thing with the RSI. So please, you want to begin to take profit around this period, right? And if you look at it, looks like volume is declining a bit, right? And not much, but we could see that okay, not declining. We could still push up, right? We could still push up even to the $1 before we have some little retracement. But there's a huge warning for those holding Matic, that we could see a little retracement before we push up. Right? If you like the channel, please make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, right? Share with your friends. Thank you and have a great day.